Alright guys, we're at Depot. We're looking for sales. Let's see what we got. And here we go. What do we got? Jamie, you're live, dude. You're live.
Live?
Yes.
We're doing live
secret
stuff?
sales
Yes.
right now.
Secret sales.
We need to know a secret sale that nobody knows of yet that we can put out there. You're not live though, I was kidding.
We have the snow blowers. I don't know if anybody knows about those.
Really?
Actually.
What's happening with the snow blowers?
Well, I'll just say that
I don't want to get you in trouble, so are you allowed
I can't
to
give you prices, but I can tell you it's going to be a good deal, and not a lot of people know about them. It's
really? And it's Black Friday?
Black Friday, limited supply.
All right, cool. All right, you guys, that's the tip.
That's
all right,
the tip.
cool. All right, so what do you have out new now?
I'll be right back. I'm gonna go to plumbing, dude.
I mean, there's a lot of stuff that's out new. DeWalt's got a lot of new stuff. They got the new 2.0 radio.
I was here
down
like
there.
a week ago. Have you changed it since a week ago?
Since a week ago, we've changed a lot, actually.
What have you added?
So, like I said, past Pro Black Friday, we have a lot of DeWalt stuff that's out now, a lot of Milwaukee stuff. Ryobi came out with a bunch of stuff for Black Friday.
All right, let's see it. Where's it at?
Let's take a walk.
All right, let's take a walk.
A lot of this is new. Now, don't hold me to which ones are.
Right.
But I think this whole box is new. These are new right here.
Oh, these are new. We didn't see these before. So $2.99 for a valid. Oh my gosh.
So
That's not
price. That's not Black Friday.
Oh, really? Oh, you're
Prices
saying.
aren't live yet.
Oh man. So these are all going to be Black Friday.
These are all Black Friday. The prices are going to change on a lot of these.
So the price are going to change on a lot of them.
Yeah, a lot of these are going to change. The 2.0 is out now. That price is going to go down. That's going to be a really nice deal.
Oh man, so we're looking. This is going to be what?
It's going to be less than that, way less than that, under 200, I believe. So there's going to be a lot of good deals. We got the chop saw with the table, we got the table saw over here with the stand. What else do we have going on?
Man.
Oh, we have the combo kit down here. You can't miss out on this one.
Oh, a DeWalt combo kit.
This is going to be a really good deal here.
On Black Friday.
Yeah. $2.99 if you walk in right now, but on Black Friday it's going to be less than that.
Now, how does Black Friday work? So you have X amount here. Once it's gone, it's gone.
It's gone, it's gone.
So I can't say, hey, give me a rain check.
Right. You got to come in and get it.
Man, and I mean, the thing is like, yeah, you know, it's still a good deal right now. It's on sale right now, but it's going to be, Black Friday is just going to be that like, hey, doorbuster, get in here. The guys that get here at 6 in the morning, it's all going to be gone by 7,
There's
mostly.
not a ton of replenishment for this stuff, so you're going to want to get here on Black Friday.
Right.
Sure.
Sweet. All right, cool. What about Ryobi Rigid? Anything?
Ryobi did come out with a few more, couple extras down here. Rigid, we have the chop saw that came out. Right now it says $279. That price is also going to drop.
Wow.
We have the 2-pack 3-amp-hour batteries, and then they also have their combo kit, kind of like DeWalt does at $299 right now, but that price is also going to drop.
Man, so that's going to drop.
We always have the shop vacs every Black Friday. And here's Ryobi. Ryobi has, this is all new. You guys didn't see any of it.
Oh, yeah, no.
None of this stuff was out. All of this stuff, the majority of this, the price is going to drop on all of it.
Is it going to be crazy prices, Jamie? Crazy?
I would say they're pretty crazy prices. I'm waiting.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm waiting.
So you're going to be shopping too?
Yes, I will shop. I'm on lunch break.
Cool.
For sure.
On his lunch break, you guys. That's like code. When can they find out about these prices?
Thursday. Log on Thursday, Thanksgiving. We're not open, but you'll be able to see the prices
On HomeDepot.com?
on HomeDepot.com.
Wow, and then they can get prepped to come out for...
Know what you want. There's an ad, there's a flyer that comes out also. It kind of gives you a map of where things are located in the store. That way you're ready to go when you come in.
Wow.
Yeah.
Cool. All right, is there any Home Depot secrets that you could tell our audience that would help them shop the Depot? What's a good secret? You're pro desk, right?
Yeah, I'm pro.
So, okay, here's a secret. Right now I'm doing a life-proof flooring project, right?
Yeah.
Now, I heard that I could just come in and we could work deals.
We can work deals. You
Really?
gotta sign up for Pro Extra.
Really?
Come talk to the Pro Desk about Pro Extra. We can get you signed up so you can get into volume pricing program.
Really?
People don't know about that yet.
Wow.
It's ideal for the contractor if you're doing home projects, but we'll take care of you. We'll get you the best price we can.
All right, cool. What do I need to have that? Like, because I'm not a contractor.
Well, we'll just sign you up for Pro Extra as a DIYer. And
Okay.
then from there, we'll work on the pricing, but you have to get your price to $1,500 or more.
Okay, cool. All right, cool.
All right.
All right, you guys. Thanks, Jamie. Appreciate it, brother.
No problem. Take care.
Eric, what are you doing?
Dave, I'm looking, but they don't have 26 inch
Oh, they have wiper
wipers.
blades?
Yeah.
What?
They don't have 26
DuPont.
inch.
Wow, you guys, you want to see something interesting? Type DuPont. Have you ever watched about the DuPont name and company? How it got started?
No, how?
Yeah, it was really crazy.
You know what's interesting is the glassware.
I actually need one of these right now. Oh, I'm getting this. This is perfect, you guys. I was just looking for one of these. Whoa, this is a crazy cool section. Hey, Eric. These clamps, did you try them? No. Actually squeeze that. That actually feels like, you know how like sometimes you squeeze them and they all bend? That actually feels like a good quality one.
Yeah, not bad for 99 cents.
For 99 cents? And not only that, you guys, you can use it for one of those things that for your hand.
Oh, yeah.
You can't, wow. I know, this is cool, man. That's a nice clamp. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? When you go ahead and squeeze, these things all want to pull apart. This thing doesn't. All right, so we're getting the battery maintainer. I kind of need two. I'm gonna get two. Charger and maintainer. Actually, should I just get one? I'll just get one for now. But I know I'm gonna need two. I'm just gonna get two. All right. For the Jeeps, they keep dying. What do we have here? Wow, look at this Gerber thing. Suspension multi-tool, 29 bucks. Normally I would buy that, but I have so many. Little Dremel kit there with the little Versa cleaner thing. Dremel light, that's new. I gotta try to keep up with Eric, man. But, oh, chargers.
I saw that.
Yeah. I was like, you know what? Because I've been looking at them lately, and I've been looking at them on Amazon, and they're not. I mean, I haven't found anyone for $14.
That's cheap.
Plus,
I saw that earlier.
yeah, and it looks pretty good. You know,
And
we'll
you can
see.
You can charge. What do you charge? I mean,
Yeah,
you can basically do anything.
Yeah, I got like cars in storage, so they keep dying. So I'll just throw this on them, and boom. The time will tell us these things. If these clamps, if they feel quality, if they're like really cheap, then you know it's a cheap one. But if they did a good job on that, but it has all the electronics, it looks pretty cool. And it's Home Depot, so they'll take care of it if it's a problem.
And $14.
Yeah,
$15, you can't beat it.
I know. I'm getting two.
I'll check out your birthday.
All right, cool. Thank you. Oh Jesus. I almost walked out, you guys. I almost walked out with that. I saw Eric leaving.
Remember, for more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.